Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee. I just got back from a test drive in a 1985 GMC 1500 pickup. This truck drove awesome. Almost everything worked. I want to walk around, point out any kind of flaws that I can find on the outside. That way you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. If you have any other questions, please go to maplemotors.com. You can also check for availability and make sure this truck is still available. We do have a whole classic car lot full of muscle cars, and they're all online. We will be up to date every Monday afternoon. We'll start right up here in the corner, and we're gonna go around this truck. Looks like they've already replaced the front bumper. That's nice and new. Grill looks nice and new as well. So does the headlight bezels. Looking across the hood on this, it's super slick. Looks like they got a new seal going around the window as well. New windshield wipers, they work. Mirrors look good. Nice set of Boss 338 wheels. Disc brakes on this truck. It does stop good. One thing I noticed driving, the clutch felt great. It was almost perfect the way they had it set up. Look down the bottom, there's no bubbles on this truck. The paint's nice and slick. It's like they've replaced the door handles as well. Locks work. Tires are like new. Drum brakes in the back. Pretty nice bed cover. There's a few things in the bed. I'm not really sure what. Some supplies. We'll get that out. Bumper on the back is definitely more on the original side. It hasn't been replaced. It's even got some old faded stickers. Dual exhaust coming out the back. I haven't really even seen any chips on this truck. All right, found something. Like a little scratch there. I don't know if y'all could see it. It is right here. Very light, that'll buff out. .305 5.0. A lot of billet stuff. Door panel's got the billet plate. Whole dash is all billet. Steering wheel's billet. Horn works, guys. Wood grain. Do have the radio in the office. AC works. Dash is pretty much new. Nice and clean. Weather stripping around the door looks great. Nice and soft. Carpet looks like it's been replaced. The only thing on this truck that it needs, the seat. Look at that rip. Not to get a new bench seat or recover that one or something, because the truck deserves it. Get in here and start it for you. Starts right up, showing 10,000 miles on the dash. Of course, you know that's not correct. All the gauges did work. They're kind of spread out. We got our oil pressure gauge down here, sitting right on 30. The temperature gauge down there and the battery gauge is not hooked up. but our temperature gauge up here is hooked up and it looks like it's pretty accurate. Battery gauge is hooked up here and it was working. Speedometer worked. Gas gauge worked. You even got an inside temperature. That's old school. Windshield wipers worked as well. Turn signals, all that works. Even the brake, emergency brake works. See, we started rolling. Visors are in good condition. Tinted windows. Go ahead and pop the hood. Hood's right here. Give her a little rev. Got a good sound to her. Pretty stock truck under the hood. AC, power steering, power brakes, front disc brakes. 5.0, which is a 305. Nice and quiet. This looks like it's been replaced, and it did work. Cold AC. Hood shuts nicely. I'm not even having to pull on it. I was having to hold it from dropping. Until I break it. Hold up. Make sure I didn't leave the hood handle out in here. Sometimes you got to push them back in to get them to shut right. There it goes. That's all it was. Hood lines up nicely. Like I said, guys, I just got back from a test drive. Went down the road, tried to point out some flaws. This truck just runs and drives awesome. It's not a sales pitch. This is, you come down here and drive it and tell me different. I appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, go ahead and go to MapleMotors.com. Make sure this truck's still available. We've also got financing information on there. Wheels, tires, parts, accessories, transportation options. I could get this truck shipped to your front door. We ship cars out every single day. I do these videos because people come from states away, all the way to countries away, to buy classic cars. And they don't want to be misled. They want to know everything about it before they get here. So this is a perfect opportunity for me to make some videos and pop them on YouTube and get them out to y'all. Like I said, jump on MapleMotors.com, share this video, subscribe, and thank y'all for watching. If you want to talk to somebody on the phone, go ahead and give me a call, 615-822-4444. I'm getting ready to do a full lot walk today. This will be my last vehicle of the day. And I'm gonna walk this whole lot and show y'all some new stuff. Y'all have a good one.